Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by building a focused team's workspace. Create a team and dedicated channels for planning, execution, and reviews. Once done, add members and assign owners so responsibilities are clear. This prevents delays later. Next, integrate Planner or Microsoft Project to capture tasks immediately, and link files in Files or SharePoint so everyone has a single source of truth. Make sure to set notification preferences and basic tags. Now, so your project can move from idea to action without confusion. You now convert scope into actionable items by creating tasks, buckets, and milestones inside Planner or Project. Assign each task to an owner with clear due dates and priority so accountability is visible. Use labels for sprint, phase, or risk classification. Once tasks exist, set up connectors and power automate flows to notify people on updates or approvals. This reduces manual follow-ups. Also, pin key documents in the channel and use comments for context so work stays fluid and traceable. You finish by monitoring progress with dashboards and charts. Review who's on track and where tasks are blocked. Once done, hold brief weekly check-ins in a Teams meeting and update tasks live so the record stays current. When closing, mark milestones complete and archive resources in SharePoint for reference. If sync or visibility problems happen, try clearing the team's cache, reloading the app, or re-adding the channel. This resolves most glitches quickly and gets your project back on schedule.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.